Musicians waiting backstage at the Kabul Theatre. The audience is about to witness the first music performance here in a decade. Amidst the rubble, it's a symbolic event of rebirth out of the ruins. Music in Afghanistan is a powerful voice, and for that reason it's been targeted in years of fighting. When the Taliban took over Kabul 5 years ago, they banned all music, theatre and TV.
سرخ کشور باز تابان گشته است ماهتابی سرخ کشور باز تابان گشته است لطف و احسان و وفا است وی نمایان گشته است لطف و احسان و وفا است وی نمایان گشته است زمین سپید سپید می
Aziz, غزنوی and نیریز are now back on screen. Kabul television was operational within 48 hours of the Taliban's departure. With only 3 aged cameras, it's a matter of making do. But the hope is that television can eventually